Take command of the road in the 2007 Lexus RX 350. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Lexus prioritized comfort and style by including power front seats, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, a power liftgate, and air conditioning. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.